Shelby, you're gonna have to edit the out of these videos.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I did put a shirt on, a tank top, and some jeans, just because I literally I can't. So here we go. Hey everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Since we're all quarantined right now, I am in my kitchen a lot these days, and it's actually been a lot of fun. And I've been learning different recipes that I can, just utilize for my overall health and well-being. And if you follow me already on Instagram and follow me on YouTube and all that stuff, you guys hear me talk about Dr. Kara all the time. She's my go-to acupuncturist here in Los Angeles, California, but she also does consulting via online, and she offers like a lot of just knowledge and advice about overall our mental, our physical, and our beauty well-being. So follow her on Instagram as well, because she's constantly posting tips. But anyways, so long story short, she told me about this amazing recipe, which is so simple and is really awesome for your lungs. A pear tea. It involves pears and ginger. That is it, and water. Other things like a pan and a knife and stuff like that, but you get the idea. The main ingredients is a pear and some ginger, and voila. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it with you guys, but I wanted to talk about it because it's imperative right now that we are trying to stay as healthy, mentally, physically, wellness all together as humanly possible. Oh, I just cut my nail. At least they're fake. Are they great though? Look, yeah, they're great. And what is better than drinking pear all day long? Tea with ginger. And that's not only just gonna help our lungs, but digestive system, and we're flushing out toxins constantly, so it's gonna help our skin long-term too, just help with that extra glow and that extra dew. So thank you, Dr. Kara. I'm saying your name right, because I always called her Dr. Kara for like 3 years since I've known her, but it's Dr. Kara. And there you go. Ooh, that smells delicious.